Hi friends, this video shows how to reset Bluetooth settings and fix all Bluetooth related issues. First go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, then select general management, tap on general management, then go down, then select reset, then select reset network settings. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you are facing issue with the Bluetooth, you can just try this. Tap on this reset settings, tap on this button, then again tap on this reset button. Done, network settings reset. So this way we can reset Bluetooth settings and fix all Bluetooth related issues. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.